What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the video that all UZS186 owners have been wanting across the internet. Everyone's been asking the questions, what wheel can I fit on my crown? Now, we're gonna do the Fender filler fitment video for the UZS186. I'm gonna do it a little bit different to the Supra and the E46. I'll explain that when we get into the video, and I'm gonna be doing it exactly like that from now on, and you'll understand why once I explain. But this is going to be the video. You buy a stock 186, you can chuck any of these wheels on and they will fill your guard and not rub on your guard. Like, disclaimer, your tires are gonna be different, that's up to you, but your rims won't touch your guards, okay? So that's what this is all about, giving you the baseline of the most aggressive wheel you can fit on your car, whether it's a 7-inch, whether it's a 10-inch, whether it's a whatever. I usually go from 7 to like 11 or 12, but I'll see what we can fit in the guards. So without further ado, let's jump on in. All right, so before we actually get stuck in, firstly, these measurements are not off of my car. They are off one of my good friend's cars who has a 186. His has factory guards, mine doesn't. My rears are cut. I think my fronts are rolled a little bit, stuff like that. So I don't want to take the measurements off this and you guys, like, doesn't work, right? But what I'm gonna do from now on, I have been doing rolled and unrolled figures. I'm not doing rolled figures anymore. It's gonna be only on factory fenders. So fender comes down and then the lip comes in. I'll also give you this measurement, the depth of the lip, front and back. So say it's 25 mil and you guys are out there and you roll your guards and you manage to roll 15 mil of that guard away and you can run 15 mil more aggressive fitment. You've got the chart, you've got the width of the wheels, then you just get it 15 mil more aggressive, which is more towards the negative, if you're wondering. If you want to find out what fitment is, I have got a video, you can go and check that out. It explains everything, offset, width, all that kind of stuff. But that's what I'm going to be doing in the future for these videos and today's, just because rolling is a variable. You know, you can either roll it like this, you can roll it like this, you can cut it out, like there's a whole variant. So if I give you guys the depth of the lip, front and back, and the fender filler fitment, then you're good to go. And if you don't want to roll your guards, if you just want to keep your car completely stock body, all of these wheels on this chart will fit your car. You can buy a stock 186, grab these, chuck them on, put an ASC 680 on, roll it whatever height you want, and you're good. So my mate's car has no camber arms, no SS kit, nothing like that. It's stock 186 with an ASC 680, which really just helps us get it down to the point to measure it very accurately to give you guys some pretty point on measurements. So I'll give you a little explanation of kind of where we're measuring, how we're measuring, things like that, because the 186s are a little different. Like, they've got that chrome strip. You may have taken yours off, you may have kept it on, things like that. If you keep it on, once you roll your guard, you have to cut it. I'll show you how mine's done, because like it has been done like that. So just a little couple of added variables. So we'll jump down, have a look at that, and then I'll give you guys the fender filler fitment chart. Okay, so what I mean is we're going to be measuring back to the inside edge of this chrome lip. Okay, so that's pretty much gonna be the edge of the fender. His car does have these chrome strips and it's easier than ripping them off. I can't show you on the back because mine are all cut out, but as you can see here, see that? That's all part of the strip. So my rears, I'll show you in a second, but that whole section has been cut out from about here, cut out there, all the way up, and just kind of stuck. So let's jump on the back and I'll show you what I mean by that. So that's what I mean. See how it's been cut and then cut all the way back up here, and it's actually flexed in a few points just to like keep this chrome strip sitting nicely, but it means that we can get all the way back to that cut off lip. So as you can see, mine's been completely cut off. It's not bent back or anything, it's completely gone. But this is the depth I'll show you. So we're actually I could probably measure this, but I'll get him to measure the top piece just in case it is slightly different, but that's the depth I'm talking about on the rear, and the same on the front. From here to there is the lip depth. So that's gonna be the measurement front and back that if you roll up, you can obviously take away. So say this is 25 mil and you roll yours and you get it to 10 mil, you can obviously run 15 mil more aggressive wheels than the chart is gonna show you. So guys, I hope this has been helpful. The chart will be at the end of the video. You'll be able to just scroll there. It'll be there for a couple of seconds. You can pause it, you can write it down, you can screenshot it, whatever you wanna do. But I wanted to give you guys a full explanation of how we're measuring, things like that, so that when you want to roll your guards or cut your guards or whatever you wanna do, you know, oh, okay, that's the point that I measure to, that's the measurement I change, blah, 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 okay? So Hope it was helpful. If it was, please like, please subscribe if you want to hang around and see some more videos. Apart from that, guys, chart's coming up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.